Alright, here, we're having to boost it some cables. We'll see if it will start this time. Now I gotta wait for the glow plug.
Maria, Larky.
Why don't you turn on?
Just the batteries.
I guess I'm gonna have to go on the gas.
Try it again, just give it. Is the air conditioning off and everything like that? All the air's off, everything's off?
Yes, everything else is off. Yes, that mic. It doesn't seem like the... At least I finally got there. At least I finally got this to start by putting my foot on the gas. Then I'm like, should I close the door? Now I'm like, here, now I'm gonna press the gas. We may have to leave this thing running for a while. We may have to just leave this thing running for a while, just so that we can recharge the battery. Oh, it quit. I should have put the RPM on. There, the engine quit. At least now I got it going again. This is the sound I like the best. This is my favorite sound of all. Now I'm going to open the window. We'll see if I'll get on the gas. It won't push the RPM as high. Mind you, my Volkswagen TDI is not this loud, but this is the sound I like a lot. This is the sound I like a lot. And this truck is quite a bit louder. At least this truck's a lot louder than the near one, even though this one's a 2005. Now, I can hear the engine from the outside. Now, like, there's the engine running right there. Now, like, can you press the gas for me, please? Now, like, there. The man's got it for me. There we can really hear the engine going up. Thanks a lot. There, this one's quite a bit quieter. It seems like this might be a little noisier than my car. Now I'm going to do the same thing with the window open. Now I can hear the engine. Now, like, this is the sound I like the best. It sounds like this. It doesn't sound like this is quite as quiet as my car. This one's pretty quiet, but not. It sounds like this one's pretty quiet, but not as quiet as my Volkswagen. There's the fan in there. Yes, rev it, please. It doesn't sound like this is. It sounds like this is. So this is pretty quiet, but not as quiet as my Volkswagen TDI diesel. And I can still hear the sound of the engine. We'll see how much louder the pickup engine is, but this car's still pretty loud. And this engine hasn't run on a weekend. Now I can hear it. Oh, and this is a pretty cool sound that I like. This is my favorite sound about diesel. Now, like, there's the revving.